joining me, everyone. This is Rachel Doe back with another video. This is the in-depth room tour here at the Conrad Hotel inside the Londoner in Macau. Now, I just switched from the Londoner Grand side of the hotel to the Conrad side. I'm here for 2 nights. I just booked a base room, but with Hilton Diamond status. The front desk upgraded me to this king suite. I am so grateful because it is awesome. If you also want to get Hilton Diamond status easily, check out my description. And if you want to see the in-depth room tour of the Londoner side of this hotel, go ahead and check out my channel for that video too. So like I said, this is the Conrad side of the Londoner. So it's basically the other side from the Londoner, but on the same property. So you get all the benefits of that hotel here at the Conrad, but if you have Hilton benefits here like I do, then you get the best of both worlds. To start, I can say the staff here has been beyond nice, warm, comforting, welcoming. They emailed me before I came, recommended me vegetarian options around, which I really appreciate. And while I was gone for a few hours, they left me a cute little note and a gift, some shortbread cookies. And when I checked in earlier, I didn't even notice that this is a 2-bathroom suite. So here is the first bathroom. I kind of love this light green marble. And this bathroom is huge, and I probably won't even use it. Oh, here's the entryway. Over here is the drink station. We have a kettle, some cute coffee cups, and Nespresso pods, of course, for the Nespresso. Here at this hotel, they've given us 2 types of tea, but I'm glad it's not just a typical black tea, green tea, because that's what you see everywhere. Down below is the fridge. Now, there were some waters that I threw in here as well, and those are my own Kit Kats, but the note does say that they will personalize it with our favorite drinks and snacks. So that's amazing customer service again. This is the living space, so we have the dinner table, beautiful mirror and chandelier. And here is the giant living room. Of course, we've got our flat screen TV, sitting chair, and I love this couch. The view here I actually already prefer to the Londoner side I had, and that's just luck of the draw with what room you get. But the fact that I have the Big Ben and the Venetian and more of the city skyline, City of Dreams Hotel, and the pools, like this is such a Vegas-y view. I think those are the Londoner side pools, and then down here are our pools at the Conrad. I'm not sure still if you can use both. It is September, but it's very hot here. It's about 32 Celsius. So 87-ish Fahrenheit. Don't check my math, that was good enough. And the pools are empty. And they even provide those cute flamingos. Oh, here's a desk if you need to get some work done. And this also has the in-room dining. Through here is the king bed, and I love these giant pillows. Of course, they have the iconic Conrad bears that are a keepsake. I love that. The bed is super clean, really well made. Over here they do have a clock with a couple charging cords in it, so I'm just charging my phone there. If you still have an iPhone SE, let me know in the comments. Over here is the sitting area in the room, and I already moved this chair over because I don't know why it's set up like this. I don't want the chairs here. I want to see the view. Once again, it's so nice. Another huge flat screen TV. There's so much storage in this hotel. Over here is a little vanity setting with an LED mirror and another big mirror. And in here they've delivered my luggage, and I have on the slippers. I have the her slippers. We have his and hers robes. The hers is purple, which is very unique, and the his is like a cream. And we do have alligator clip hangers and regular hangers too, completely detachable. In the next cabinet over, we have our iron and ironing board, and this is such a good touch too. They have the aesthetic hangers, so if you're here for a wedding, you can get pictures of your dress with a nicer hanger than the classic wooden ones. Such a nice touch. There's also an umbrella for use. I've already used the safe. Again, tons more storage, and down here is the laundry bag. We also have a shoe sponge and another sewing kit. And the bathroom does have a sliding barn door. The bathroom is my favorite part of this one. Hopefully the echo isn't too bad. We have a gorgeous walk-in shower. The lotion especially is a really nice smoky scent that I love. Here is the robe, and it's really good quality. It's not like the typical terry cloth ones. It's super soft. Here's our other bathroom side. Also good to note is the shower does have a clear door, but the bathroom side does have a real door, so you have some privacy. You can shut this barn door, and it's a solid door as well. And here is the bathtub. We've got our loofah and bath salts, anti-slip mat. And of course the classic Conrad duck, and this one has dice in it for the Macau theme. How cute. Here we've got our bottled water and our glasses for rinsing. And here are the amenities, pretty much the same as the Londoner side as well. So vanity kit, shave kit, sanitary bag, shower cap, comb, and some dental kits with mouthwash. And there's also a scale here. Here's our shaving mirror / makeup mirror. So overall, I'm very impressed with the service and impressed with the room here. I know I'm gonna have a really nice sleep here in this bed, and I hope you enjoyed this room tour. If you wanna see more like this, please check out my channel. I am an actor and entertainer currently based in Tokyo, and I make all sorts of content, mostly hotel tours and other touristy things to do around Florida, Las Vegas, Hawaii, Japan, and more. So if that sounds good to you, please check out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon. To be there, and I need to hurry up and finish this video. Okay. iPhone SE gang. Okay.